Hi, welcome to another Onshape video tutorial. I want to do the Abgaskruemmer, which I did in almost other programs as well. So let's start with a sketch on that plane. I need a line and an arc and another line. Let's make this tangent. Okay, and give it some dimensions. This should be 80. This should be 100, and this should be 116 plus 82 plus 82. Okay. Then another sketch. I want to use the sweep feature to make this part. I need another sketch on that plane. Again, a line, a 3-point arc, maybe like this, and another line, and tangency between this arc and that line. Okay, and again some dimensions. This should be 50. This distance should be 100. And this distance should be 65. Confirm. Now let's make two extrudes. First extrude with sketch 1. This should be a surface. In the opposite direction, and it should be at least, let's say, 70. Confirm. And another one, again a surface with sketch 2, and it should be at least, let's say, 300. That's okay. And confirm. Now I have to split this surface with this surface. So let's go for split. Let's split. I want to split this one with that one, and confirm. Now I can hide this surface, and I will use this edge as 3D curve. Okay, another sketch on this plane, and this should be a circle, and diameter should be, let's say, 54. Okay, now I want to do a sweep. I want to make a solid with this profile, not a revolve, sorry, I want to have a sweep. Okay, this should be swept, and the path should be this combination of edges, and confirm. Now I can hide this surface as well. I can make a linear pattern. Let's go for a linear pattern, and I want to pattern this part, and the direction should be normal to this plane. Reverse the direction, make it 3, and make the distance 82. And confirm. Now let's make a Boolean operation, make a union, this one, that one, and that one, and confirm. Now I can split this part. Let's go for split. Part 1, and split it with this plane. Confirm, and then I could delete this part and confirm. Now let's make a shell. I want to remove this face, that face, that face, and this one, and make the thickness, let's say 2 millimeter, and confirm. Okay, I need 2 more sketches at least and 2 more extrudes. So go for another sketch on that plane, and it should be a sort of triangular shape, maybe like this. And to center it around that point, I want to use a circle, which I need only for construction purposes. No. Construction. Okay. Make these 3 sides equal. So go for equal. Not the circle. this one and that one should be equal, and this one and that one should be equal. Now let's move the points onto that circle. And now the triangle should be centered. Give it a dimension. Let's say 110. Confirm. And I need an angle between this line and that plane, which should be 1,5. And confirm. Now let's make an extrude with this sketch. I could do it in that direction, yes, doesn't matter. I want to add a new body. Confirm. Let's check it out. This was a new body, not a... I didn't want to add it, I wanted a new one. Now I could make a hole if I need a sketch. So I go on that plane. That's a point, and this point is right on the origin. Confirm. Now let's make a hole. It should be 50 in diameter, and it should go only through one of the parts, not through part 1, but only through part 2, which means the body 2, and confirm. Yeah. Now I could unite them. Confirm. Nice. It seems the sides are not equal. So check the sketch. Not this one, but sketch 4. It's 110, yes. And this should be 110 as well. Yeah. Now let's make some fillets, or let's say I want to round these edges, and it should be 10. This edge, come on. Sometimes it takes a little while. Okay, and okay, confirm. Then another sketch, maybe on the plane or on the surface, doesn't matter. Another point on right here. I need the sketch, I need the edge, So maybe it's better to do the sketch on the surface. Now I can go for a point and make it concentric to this one, and another point concentric to that edge, and concentric to this edge. Confirm. Use the hole tool with these 3 points, make the diameter 10 and make it not through but blind, and 10. With these 3 points and confirm. Okay. So another plane. This should have an offset from this one, and the distance should be 65. Confirm. And I need another sketch on this newly created plane, and this could look something like this. Okay, give it some constraints. This should be horizontal aligned, this one as well. It should be symmetric somehow, therefore I would need a line. So let's go for a line and try to snap on the midpoint. There it is. Okay, now let's make this vertical and make it symmetric. This one, that one to this line. Nope, sometimes you have to do it a little bit slower. Okay. Now let's make this for construction only. Yes. And the dimensions. Maybe this is 275, and this one is that's 275. And that one is, let's say 245 or 235, yeah, maybe. And the distance right here could be 65. And that distance should be 100 minus 65 divided by 2, 100 minus 65 divided by 2. Confirm. And this one should be centered. So let's take another point and take a look if it's possible to get it. No. Let's take a look if it's possible to use the edge. Yes, it's possible. So use this edge and make it concentric to that edge. Okay. Now put this point onto that line, and now it's symmetric and centered. Confirm. Leave the sketch and make an extrude again. With the sketch, maybe to this side, make it 10 and make it a new body. Confirm. So I used this edge, so I got already a hole. I can go back to this sketch and use this edge and that edge as well. Confirm. So I got the 3 holes. That's nice. Now let's make some fillets. Make it 10 around this edge, that one, this one, and that one. Confirm. Now let's unite these two parts, so go for a union, and I want to make these two parts together. Okay, then I would need another sketch, maybe on this surface, and I want to use edges or make intersection between the face and the sketch plane, like this, and I should be able to get the midpoints of these edges. Okay. 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 And let's use this one as reference. I need one here, over here, over here, over here, and align them horizontal. Come on. Not possible, seems it snapped already to something. I think that's odd. Let's show the constraints. It's already aligned, but maybe to something else, so I will delete this one and try it once again. So right here, now it works. Okay, now make it maybe with a distance, and this could be let's say 40, and this one as well 40. Confirm. Now let's make some holes. Diameter should be 10, depth should be 10 as well, with this point, that point, this one, come on, that one, this one over here, that one, this one, and that one, and confirm. And I'm done. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more Onshape videos, please give it a like or a comment down below the video. I will do a variant of this part with a loft, because right now I use the sweep, and the sweep has a constant diameter or radius, and I want to have a smaller one right here and a bigger one right there. So see you to the next one. Bye bye.